Louis Profits, and today's video is going to be on how you can earn serious APY on your stablecoins and also all your other cryptos. And this is actually fully safe. You cannot get rug pulled, you cannot get anything like that. This is 100% a safe website to use. Yes, it is a centralized place to use, so you will need to verify your ID and you will need to be 18 plus. Without further ado, let's get into the video and not waste any time. So it is called nexo.io. That is the website you want to go to. So I've deposited a little bit of money just to show you in real time how to actually do it all. So I just deposited like $30 about a week ago, and I have done that in XLM to show you, as you can see, and I'm earning 8% on that. And you may think, oh, 8% on a crypto, but now let's look at the stable coins. Earning up to 12% on USDC. Which is really insane. As Tether, yeah, you might be a bit scared to use Tether. It's a bit dodgy, I guess. But USDC, nothing to worry about there. Or you can even do their own coin. Even Bitcoin, you're getting 8% on your Bitcoin, which is just insanity. So let's actually see what this credit line thing means. You may be confused, what's this credit line? So basically what I deposited was about $24 to start with, but it's gone up. XLM's gone up. Just to test this site a bit, so I can show you in real time how the rewards work, etc, etc. Obviously I didn't put much in, so it's just 2 cents earned in a week. But if you think about it with a bank, you're earning 0.1% a year, which is nothing. You wouldn't be earning this on $30 for many decades. So this is really insane if you really do think about it. That's why I've only just put 30 in, just to show you the difference between what a bank would give you and what this would give you. So it's much better. But anyway, as you can see, you get about a third of credit on what you deposit. So if I put in $300, that'd probably be $100 in my credit line. And what happens is you then take that out, and if you don't pay it back, it's not like a real loan. It will just be taken out of your portfolio balance as long as you don't withdraw your portfolio balance. So as you can see, that is very good there. And as you can see, when you actually want to withdraw this credit line here, you will have to pick one of these. So you can do it in USDC, you could do it in Tether, or even you could do bank transfer, which is just insane. And look at all of these countries as well that they can do it to. So this is exactly how you repay it. So if I did actually take a credit out, it would say your outstanding loan is $8. And then what I would do is, how am I going to repay it? I will select, as I've only got XLM in here, I'd select XLM and I'd put my $8 here, and then it would be paid back. So it really is simple, and it really is great how easy it is to use. Now I want to show you one of the best features from this website, especially if you're dealing with NFTs and Ethereum a lot. The reason why is because, let me show you here. As you can see here, even when you just create an account and you're not silver, gold or platinum, you still get 1 free withdrawal per month. So that means if you bought your Ethereum on here, you needed to send that to MetaMask, you would then get, you wouldn't be paying the gas fees on that. You'd be sending, if you sent 1 Ethereum, you'll receive 1 Ethereum to that MetaMask, and you'll not be paying fees on that 1 transaction a month. Whereas if you had the platinum, you're getting 5 a month. Sorry about that. You're getting 5 a month. So it really is great. And let me just explain how you can actually upgrade to these different levels. So basically what you would need is, you need to have 5%, 1 to 5% of your portfolio has to be Nexo, compared to the other tokens you're holding. So as you can see here, your loyalty level is based on the ratio of tokens to the other assets in your account. So with platinum, for example, you need more than 10% of it to be Nexo in your portfolio, and then you'd be able to have platinum and you get all of these amazing benefits. So as you can see, you get extra interest rates here on all of these tokens here. And another great thing, obviously when you're borrowing assets, there's going to be an interest rate just with any bank, and with Base it's 13.9%, which is quite high, but still much lower than banks in general. And then you have platinum is only 6.9%, which is just insane. And obviously I'm assuming you'll be paying it back before you get to this point, but still it's really good. So now I actually just want to show you how the rewards work, and you do get paid daily, as you can see in the past. Let's have a look here. So I did it 8 days ago, and it's just been compounding every single day with a bit of XLM, 0.011 every single day. and it's been really good, to be honest. I think if you put a lot more in, you're seeing the rewards every day, so every day you can cash out some rewards if you really wanted to. And what I'm thinking I'm going to be doing is any fiat currency I do actually have, I'm just going to be keeping it in here, because I cannot be missing out on this 12%. It really is great, and I think I'm going to be upgrading to platinum, buy some Nexo, also earn 12% on that, and also do it on my USDC, as I think only more people will be coming to Nexo. I think it's a $2 billion market cap for Nexo token. But I think more people are going to keep coming to it, as not as many people know about it. So it is really a really great place to use. And the other great thing is, just like a normal exchange, of course, you can just buy your cryptos, you can sell your cryptos, and you can swap your cryptos. So it really is amazing. They've got a card coming out very soon as well, which I'm going to try and find that now. It's not out yet, but you can apply for early access. So I'm going to go try find this. Here we are. So we go to Nexo card here. As you can see, you can get your early access. You get 3 additional virtual cards. You get 2% instant cashback. No minimum monthly repayments. Payments are in your local currencies. So it is really cool. You get the mobile app as well. And obviously within that app, you'll be able to do all these... get all these interests as well within that app, whatever you deposit in that app. Yeah, I hope this video has helped you, because it is really cool seeing you can get 12% on stablecoins and 20% up to 20% on other tokens, which is just really awesome. And I like the fact they have card coming. This is obviously not a sponsored video or anything like that. This is just literally, I found this and I've started using it, or I'm about to start using it. I just put the 30 in as an example to show how it all works. Yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure you subscribe, as it really does help us out, and I really appreciate it. We're going to be uploading daily, so I hope you can appreciate that. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day.